Hi, I'm the Director for Common Knowledge Trust. We're a New Zealand registered charitable trust, and we have the privilege to hold the Birthing Better Childbirth Preparation skills. There are going to be 3 videos on this page. The first one is about the history of birth breathing from way back when. And then the second one is going to be present history from the 1950s and what happened then. And the third one is going to be about us as Birthing Better families. So let's talk a little bit about the history of birth breathing. I've been involved in the childbirth conversation for 45 years, and I've traveled extensively globally and have shared these Birthing Better skills in traditional communities as well as modern cultures. And there's a phenomena. There was no way that women were taught how to breathe particularly. It all depended. For example, when I would teach workshops and I would say to villages, women who've lived together for thousands of generations, or in urban communities, how did your mother teach you to breathe? First of all, there'd be a silence. And then some woman would be brave enough to say, my mother told me to breathe shallow and fast. Another woman would say, that's not what my mother told me. She told me to breathe slow and deep. And another woman would chime up and say, my mother told me to hold my breath when it was painful. Another would say, my mother told me, don't make a noise, you'll embarrass yourself. Another would say, my mother told me to scream all you want, it hurts. Another would say, my mother taught me this way of breathing, but it didn't work for me. Another would say, my mother told me there's no way to know what your birth's going to be like, so you'll just get through it. Another would say, my mother didn't teach me anything. In reality, we have no history globally among women of any consistent way to breathe effectively in birth until Birthing Better.